Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
I'm doing my hair. This is the hair section. Guys, look at my hair now. Oh. I didn't tell you guys, but I did a big chart this time last year, so my hair's actually grown back like a lot. It's so much more thicker because all that, the treatments I've been doing. You guys, I need to put you on. I need to put you on, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe because I'm gonna put you on. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using on the screen, everything I'm gonna be doing, but the hairstyle I'm going for is the peekaboo. I'm doing this. I'm gonna stretch hair. I hope this is enough. The 6 in the pack. This green. And we've got 2 packs. I've already stretched 1 pack. I'm probably gonna have to stretch this, but I just want to start. I just want to make a start. So yeah, we're doing peekaboo and a little bit in the front as well. Yeah, what I'm gonna be using, this is my first time doing Knotless Braids, guys. Really excited. Yeah, I'm really excited. You guys know I've done my my faux locks before myself. Fractal comb for the parting, you know, hair, just in case I need to do that. I have some clips to section my hair. Ooh. Some hair ties. Got some hair in it. Some hair cream. That's all I have to use. Thing, you know that mirror that has like 3. It's a 1 mirror, 2 mirrors inside. It helps you see the back of your head, guys. I need that. And I also need braid holder because it helps, especially like if you do it by yourself, and like to be quicker. I'm Knotless Braids as well because you're feeding in. So that's what I ordered. It didn't come, and that would have been so helpful. But I'm gonna get that for next time I do it. But obviously I don't want that if I'm, because I'm doing my braids like today. So I want it today. I don't want it tomorrow because I'm gonna do my braids tomorrow. I'm doing it today. Oh guys, and by the way, I'm actually watching Snowfall in the background. I'm literally on season 4, you guys, and wow. Just wow. Yes, I'm just watching that, so if you guys see me like looking down, because actually I might put it there actually.
Hey girlies, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I'm going to be popping in and out of voiceover just to add some extra detail and make sure you guys understand everything I'm doing. Okay, so I just completed my first row off camera and I'm going to come on camera and show you guys what I'm doing. But I actually always start from the back of my head, like working my way to the front. Where do you guys start from? Let me know in the comment section. That's really interesting actually.
This row I'm doing 5, so I'm literally on the middle one now. And that's just difficult because I'm trying to figure out like how to braid. Even though I know how to braid, but braiding like this compared to like this, if I like can see how I bring that to the side and then adding it and then continue braiding it, that's the bit that's kind of throwing me off a bit because it's throwing me off. I feel like it's because I can't grip it. Let me show you guys what I mean. Okay, this is my second row of green. I'm doing 1 more row of green because that's enough green. So you actually just need 1 pack of the colour, guys. You don't need 2 packs because I haven't finished this one yet. I hope you guys can see. First I'm starting off with like just braiding it normally with 3 sections. Yeah, like that. So you braid, guys, yeah. And then take one, I do it like this. That's how I do it. And I braid like this, but you can see I'm gripping it. I can't grip it in the middle like that. So then when I see this one, take it again and I put it like that. And I grip. So it's all about like my gripping. I might not be doing it properly, I can't, but I'm just gripping it to place it where I want to place it. I hope you guys can actually see what I'm doing, but I just can't grip it like. And then obviously I'm braiding it, braiding it, and then so this has 2, so now I want to add 1 to these 2. So I literally just add it like that. add it wherever I want, but I just make sure I grip it like this. Do you get? I hope you guys understand that, but I can't. It's because I'm holding it, I'm gripping it to where I want to add the hair, like, but I can't do that in the middle. That's what I'm struggling with. It's literally the middle one. I've done 2 on this side, I'm gonna do 2 on this side, but the middle one, so it's like the row has 5, the middle one is really difficult for me to do. Guys, I know the sound is not as good as it used to be. I apologise for that. My mic is literally broken. I don't know how it broke. I can't lie. It just broke. But yeah, just braiding. Just gonna hold it. Very longer.
Okay, so I'm going to try and talk you guys through this one. So step 1, add cream to the hair, then comb out any knots or anything, and then we're going to start braiding. So we're going to separate the hair into 3 sections. You know, these are knotless braids. We're going to start by braiding on natural hair first, and then we're going to start attaching the hair to it. So as you guys see, I start with 1 strand, and then I'm just adding it and just start braiding it. So I'm adding it from the bottom. That's actually the best way to add it. And then I start braiding, just like, you know, crossing over, just braiding it. And then as I braid a little bit further down, I'm going to add another one so that it's 1 2 1, if that makes sense, if you guys can see as I'm showing you. So I just continue braiding all the way down. Again, it's really important just to remember to add the hair to the bottom, like at the bottom, so that it can look neat as you go along. So you guys can see I'm adding it to the bottom, and that makes the hair actually look neat. And it's always good to also compare it to the ones next to it, just so you make sure that you're not adding the hair too early or too late. But yeah, I'm just continuing to braid it down, and then yeah, after that it's literally just braiding, and then adding. So I just hope that this is giving you guys like more of an understanding, also seeing it as well. It's helping you guys understand it. But as you see here, I'm literally just comparing it to see if it's around the same size as the others, because that's really important. You don't want mixed match sizes of braids. That's going to make it look quite messy. And also, I don't know if I explained it, but you hold the hair between your teeth as the hair's getting longer, because you need to maintain the tightness. You need to maintain the tightness of the braid so it looks neat all the way through.
Top. We all need to be DIY babes this year. 2024, we gotta be DIY babes. Like, come on, girls. Okay. So I'm gonna come back when I'm starting the black. I've got one more row of green to do, and then when I start doing like the black, maybe when I'm like around like my crown. Is my crown? I don't know. When I'm around like this area, I'll come back. So that's it for now, guys.
I'm back. So I finally finished most of the back. We thank God. So yeah, as you guys can see, the green section is complete at the back, and most of the back is literally complete. But I really wanted to show you guys the front section, because as you guys can see, I have sectioned it and done like, you know, mini twist. This is absolutely perfect, and I love doing this for the front section because it really helps with time. Like it's kind of like a countdown, like, and it helps motivate me as well, because I know, okay, I have this much left to do, you know. It really helps. Another reason why I love doing the sections only at the front is because it can be quite overwhelming if I do it all over my head, and sectioning it as well really helps with the parting, because I think parting is really important, especially for the front section of your hair compared to the back, because I can't see the back. So that's why I really like to put an effort into making the front parting really nice, neat and clean, because it's gonna make up for the back. But also because, you know, it's a front, so it matters the most as well, with longevity of the hair and all that. So yeah. Okay, so we're finally down to our last 2 braids now, so I'm gonna run through this again in detail, because hopefully you guys have a better view of it. So obviously first we add the cream, moisturize the hair and all that, and I'm separating the hair into 3 sections. I hope you guys can see it clearly how I'm braiding the hair. So I'm making sure to braid it tight as well at the front, just because I like that neat look. I don't like having to do my edges on the first few days of freshly new braids, so I make sure I'm like not too tight, but you know, tight in the beginning. So I did just add some hair to the braid, and I'm just braiding along. I'm trying to make sure that the front section is neat, because so that's why I'm making sure I'm adding it underneath, as I was telling you guys, because obviously it's the front, so I'm making sure, like, you know, it's neat as I'm going along. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward, you know, just making sure you're braiding and making sure that you're comparing it to the other braids, you know, next to it as well, and just, yeah, just making sure you're neat. So this is finally the last one. As you guys can see, I'm really happy. Really happy. So yeah, again, step one, moisturize the hair. Go make sure, because this is a protective hairstyle, so you need to protect the hair, make sure it's moisturized, because this hair is probably going to last like a month, so you want to make sure our hair is growing, you know, and thriving in the protective hairstyle. So yeah, make sure you guys are moisturizing properly, and then we're going to start braiding. So I really hope this is a really good angle for you guys. Obviously I am going off camera in a few clips here, but I was so Snowfall was something, guys. Was actually something. That show, guy, that show was insane. So I'm just really paying attention to everything that's happening. But yeah, as I said, just literally just braiding, and yeah, it's literally pretty straightforward. This is my first time doing it, so I'm really proud of myself. But literally only tips I can really give you guys, literally just try, start from the back, you know, because your first few ones might not be perfect, but your last ones will be better. that's what I always follow. But yeah, it's literally just, you know, braiding, and yeah. And now we are finally done, and it's completed, and I am tired, but the hair looks so good. I'm so happy. Guys, I always do this, like I always make my parting so small, like the hair is so full. But then don't get me wrong though, I love full hair, but like the hair is actually really full. But I'm glad either way. But the partings are looking good. I'm actually so proud of myself, guys. It is, you just need to like put, you know, extra effort, and yeah, just like try to be, you know, as neat as possible. But yeah, and it's also about the grip as well. You need to really grip the hair. That's what helps me as well. So but yeah, like look at the front, like it looks really neat, really neat. Obviously I think there's some section where I didn't really like, you know, add all the hair, but guys, like this was one sitting. I think it was that one, I used that one whole day, guys. But yeah, I'm really proud of myself, and the hair came out really perfect, just how I wanted it. And guys, my hands are hurting me. My hands are hurting. Pain, but it was worth it. So worth it.
Guys, it's been a week, by the way, since I've actually done my hair, and look at it. My knotless braids actually get messy like super quick. Yeah, try to take it down to show you guys. Guys, I was just busy. This is what it looks like with, and I haven't even dipped it in water yet, you know. I haven't sealed the ends yet, but I need to. I haven't yet. Look at it. Look how messy. Top, super messy. I just need to start doing my edges now. It's not too, actually, yeah. I need to start doing my edges now. Now I've done my nails, I cannot even redo the front. Oh yeah, look at the hair, look at the nails and the hair. It's getting matchy. This is my right hand, so this is the most difficult one to do. This one shouldn't take me that long because I actually have to go to bed soon. I'm going to Manchester tomorrow. I'm going to do on this hand now. Obviously it's going to be much better than this one. Let's go.
Okay, so onto the nails. We're going to start with some nail prep. I'm not really going into much detail on this because I've done this a few times on my channel already, but we're just going to apply the base color, and I'm going to go into detail about the actual nail art and nail design. So we're starting off with the pinky now. As we can see, this is the ombre nail. So I have done like the top nail in the reference picture, so I'm doing like the bottom one now. So obviously that is the green one. I'm using this method I absolutely love, but the only thing is that I'm using a gel pot paint, so it's a bit thicker, so it looks a bit not as smooth as, you know, as it should be, but I still think it came out alright. And I'm just adding a charm on top. I used the Macart rhinestone glue just to add that, and guys, that charm did not come off at all. Okay, next onto the index finger. As you guys can see, this is this is called a French tip. This is like a different French tip style. I really wish I did black. I didn't actually really like the neon, but it's still alright. So now we're onto the thumb. So for this one, obviously in the reference picture there is no thumb showing, so I just went freestyle with it, and I really wanted to try out this croc print. This, is it croc print or snake print? I don't know. Let me guys know what you think. I said snake print in the video, but I don't know, is it croc print? I don't know. Anyways, I did this really cool design. I really wanted to try out my blooming gel. That's actually why I did it. So yeah, I really love this nail. Like, I really want to do like a whole nail set using just croc print or snake print, whatever. But I really liked it. I really like this. This is like one of my favorite nails because I think it came out really pretty. I actually preferred this nail I'm doing right now because I feel like the black dispersed better in the blooming gel than the gel pot paint because it wasn't as thick. This one was more fluid, so it really dispersed nicely. So you guys can see I'm literally doing that. I really love this nail. This is my favorite one. So I'm just being really careful and just adding along the lines, making sure they're not touching each other and leaving enough space for it to actually disperse. So I'm onto the next nail now. This is the ring finger, and as you can see, it's literally the exact same thing, but just on the V French tip design. So as you can see, this is like what I was talking about the gel being too thick, so it's literally not really dispersing properly, but it still came out nice. So now onto the middle finger. This is the ombre nail. I really like this design because it's also the ombre marble nail, so it's ombre and it's marble. So this was really fun to make, and I feel like actually the gel pot paint actually works really well here because I was actually able to really mix it, and I really liked it on this one. I feel like I was able to really control it rather than it going like all, you know, dispersing too quickly. I feel like I was actually able to control how I wanted the outcome and the final marble nail to really look like. So that's what I really liked about this nail. And I did actually add a blooming gel to this, but obviously because the pot paint was too thick, it didn't really work as much, but I still really like the effect though. I feel like I like this nail too. And obviously I'm adding my Vivienne Westwood inspired nails, nail charm on top in the center, and this is actually linked to my Amazon storefront, so make sure you guys check that out as well. It'll be linked in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And that is it. Those are the nails. So I'm just applying the top coat all over the nails, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that.
This is the finished product. I like this, like the black, much better. But anyways, so nails, I'm not really in love with them. I'm not in love, but I'm just in love with the fact that I have nails now because I just love nails. I don't know how I feel about the nude though, that were like a pinky nude rather than like a more natural nude, but it's still nice. My favorite one is like this nail.